Hi there, Tanner from SkipperBud's in Madison. Looking to show you guys here the 2023 HeyDay H22. This boat is equipped in the black and silver metallic color scheme. Gorgeous looking paint. If you come towards the front here, you will notice this boat does come with the docking lights. It does also have the optional LED lighting package upgrade. You have pop-up cleats all the way around, equipped with stainless steel grab handles. Nice sport style windshield. You can see this is equipped with a water sports tower. It does have folding wakeboard racks, integrated bimini cover, as well as a speaker package added onto the tower. This does have a stereo upgrade. Get a better look at the flake in the paint on this side here. Coming towards the back, you'll notice the shape of the hull. This is kind of where HeyDay gets its reputation. It does have integrated ballast tanks. If you look down below, you will see your trim plate here. You have a nice large swim platform on the back. You also have an optional ski tow hookup right there. Interior of the 23 H22, you'll notice you have a nice large wide center pass through here so you're not stepping on any seats. You do have dual rear facing bucket seats. These do actually adjust. Now you have that locked in as a nice expansive sun pad. This goes back down. You have transom speakers in the rear. You do also have a transom stereo remote, so you're not jumping back in the cockpit every time to change the song. Stepping into the interior. Very large U-shaped cockpit seating area here. You do have recessed sections with cup holders, charge ports, additional speakers, more stainless steel grab handles. Get a better look at that water sports tower with your Rockford Fosgate audio system. See your swivel board racks here. Additional cup holders here. Come up to your captain's chair here. You do have a flip-up bolster. You do also have a little cutout here for your leg when you want to turn and have conversations with the rear. The seat does slide both forward and back and does have a swivel option as well. Here's your main stereo head unit here. You do have a 9-inch SIMRAD display that basically controls everything to do with the ballast system, as well as your engine internals and all of that information. You have a couple physical buttons down the bottom here. Your throttle right here. You do also have an additional cup holder as well as a wireless charge port in the bottom there. Your fire extinguisher down below. You can get 14 people in this boat. Room for all of your friends and family. Windshield opens up, does clip in here so it's nice and secure. You have a large bow seating area. This currently does have the filler cushions in there as well. And on both sides you do have flip down armrests. You have access to compartments beneath here. This one is going to be all of your electronics and your fuses. And then on this side, you do have a nice access port to a massive storage compartment in here. There's a few different ways to access this area. Perfect place for all your inflatables, your boards, any additional gear that you want to throw in there. Absolutely massive storage compartment. You do also have a glove box up top. Swinging around back towards the rear, you do have a convertible bench seat. This can slide back and forth as desired. You can also remove the backrest for this. And this will get you access to your engine compartment. You'll see your 370 horsepower Mercruiser. And that will give you more than enough power to get up and moving. And that is it for the interior of the 2023 HeyDay H22 here at SkipperBud's in Madison.